This is so annoying, right? No seatbelt on. Turn the ignition on. You get that. Oh, I need to dust everything. It goes off after a while. But how'd you like it to never come back on? So there's a quick, easy way to fix this. Underneath the seat, there is a white 2-wire connector. We just got to pull that off. I'll show you how easy that is. Man, that's a peculiar angle to get in and video at. Let's see. There's your 2-pin connector. And up on top, you got a little button you got to push down. So I'm just using my everyday carry wrench clip. Push down on that. Pull out. Come on, bitch. Push down on that white thing. All the way and pull out the connector. Connector is now out and loose. Now, with the connector loose, key in the ignition, turn the ignition. No more beeping. I don't even see the seat belt idiot light doing anything there. Sweet. All right, test time. Ding, 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 ding. There's my key. In the hole. Turn it. No dinging. The seatbelt and airbag guy goes off. Ignition goes on. And I am good. I'm happy. Sweet, it works. That's it. I'm out of here. See ya.